Just for a quick grab of what the amp setup here is, a little Mark tube running a mix between solid state and tube preamp, pretty much flat EQ controls with the VFE and VFL, whatever that thing is on the side over there, turned off. And the good old cell phone recording, direct in with the wireless to the amp. We're going to do the front neck pickup, flat EQ, flat treble, a little bit of boost on bass. It's a new Elixir strings. Let's dime the mid-range a little bit. Some of that back and go a little flat. Take the pickup blend back to the bridge pickup. The jazz, mids flat, treble flat, bass flat. Let's dial in a little bit more mid, a little bit more bite on that bass side. Bring up a little bit of treble, bring up the mids. If you want to honk, you can honk. Both pickups in position. Both pickups cut mid, all treble, all bass. Mid back in. Not much of a slap pop, but there you go. There you have it.